So the biggest test of all for awarded for his World Cup success with wearing the jersey with the Chinese writing to spell out Angel Di Maria on one side, the incomparable Leo Messi on the other, partnering Mitch Duke. Aidan O'Neill is with Keanu Bakker delivering the match ball. No doubt. So off we go in Beijing. 6 months ago, and Argentina will continue. It's Leo Messi! Oh! That's why he's the best player in the world. And that's what the fans came to see tonight. And it's happened inside the opening 2 minutes. And it is classic Messi. Incredible. He only needs half a chance. And he punishes you. And Australia did what Graham Arnold told them not to do right from the kickoff. Does he? And he's played the ball out wide here, and first time off Di Maria. And Messi's managed to find the ball forward. Another chance here, and fired over the top by Alexis McAllister. Alarm bells ringing loud and clear. Ledger, Mark Milligan, and a certain Luke Wilkshire. But he's won that particular challenge. And Mitch Duke will nip in. Could be a chance here for Australia. Just down a little. Di Maria, he's in position for the return. Messi, side netting this time. Wow, what a player. Messi, ring around the Workers' Stadium. Argentina have retreated back in numbers. Can Atkinson get the cross in? And Matt Ryan forced him to go in long. Messi doesn't mind operating in those tight spaces. He's well used to it and draws the clip forward by Suter. A little nudge off the ball. On the right is Leckie, and it's too high. They'll be playing against each other in Belgium next season. Boss for West, threaded through by Riley McGree, and he's in position for the return. Back post cross, but there's nobody there. And that was really good stuff from Acuna. Building nicely here, the world champions. And just a little bit of a slip there on the point of delivery.
The left flank.
Clever from McAllister to draw. There's Boss. It's a handy ball in. It's a really good save by Emi Martinez, which preserves Argentina's lead and denies Mitch Duke, who acknowledges the quality of the delivery. Inside the penalty box, of course. Headed firmly towards goal by Matt Leckie. And Argentina have got a player down, in fact 2. That's a nice touch around the corner. Leckie's after it, but beaten to it, and he was a little bit late in the challenge there. And it's Christian Romero. Atkinson.
Good movement, another little play here.
Here's Jordan Boss, going to have a go with the right peg, which is not the stronger of the two. And he was also off. And it's those two again. And Atkinson sees it safely behind. Picked up by Messi, who tries to thread it through. It's just a fraction. And there is no flag here, and the chip goes over the top from Messi. Well, another impudent attempt to try and embarrass Australia. That's good work from Jordan Boss. Has he overdone it? Atkinson, Mitch Duke in position if they can find the right delivery, but
sense the trouble, I think. Here goes Boss.
Geordie Boss. Again, it's with the right peg. A little bit closer this time, but Jude with vigour by Suter, but he turns clear of him. But as we suspected it might be this evening, Cam giving us the perfect view of second half kickoff.
For him,
just broke away because Gonzalez and Atkinson, who've had quite the tussle tonight, going at it again. And this time, Marning says that's a foul. And Nathaniel Atkinson, high alert. Floated into a decent area, but Cunha, who sidesteps one challenge. Oh, and it's awkward for Ryan. Really had to stretch there. And then makes the save at the near post as well to take the corner. And Ryan Well, again, I'm not 100% convinced yet.
Argentina.
Ball for Leo Messi. Long ball forward from Martinez. And it into the channel. Building nicely here. And Duke. Boss trying to get clear of his man. And it's going to be a corner for the Socceroos. Sutar turning away from McAllister. Oh, nice feet. Looking to angle that ball in. It wasn't a bad one, you know. It's a nicely worked corner, though, by Australia. And at the back post was Sutar and also Bacchus. And Argentina were at panic stations there for a moment. And it's still alive for the Soccer. There was no contact there, was there? From Duke. Maybe just a slight one. It's lovely stuff.
But playing a little bit narrower, hence the formation change. And
beyond him is Julian Alvarez. Swings it across. Messi. Little drop of the shoulder, goes down. And Marning right on the spot, says free. Messi finds a way through. Courtesy of a touch off the wall. A fancy off Kai rolls. And Argentina have to settle for a corner. Still plenty up for Argentina. It's two. Beautifully flighted delivery. And German Pezzella was the Johnny on the spot to nod the ball home. Just his third goal for his country. And the world champions are too clear. Steered around the corner by Lo Celso. Third, little drop of the shoulder, tees up Alvarez, Julian Alvarez, good save. Matty Ryan to keep them. Needed a bit of help, and it was too slow to arrive, and Boss forced it off. Eager for the ball, fresh off the bench. Look how quickly.